Today I am making 100% pure coconut milk. I will be using the grater, which is the old-fashioned way, as well use the blender to make my 100% pure coconut milk. Right, so this is my coconut. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe. We gotta use the grater to grate the coconut. I should show you what the grater look like. Alright, so grate the coconut, there's water. That water can drink. Yeah, that water can drink. You wanna pay attention to the water now. So you open the coconut. Alright, break it. This coconut is even super dry. It's an oxo without a fusing knife. Yeah, so we gotta get the coconut out of the shell. Yeah, so this might look like a lot of work, but this is the real way. This is where it all starts from. You know, you can get coconut in can, in all kind of way, in powder, but this is the real way. So this flavor is totally different. So there's no additive and preservative. So this is what the coconut look like out of the shell. This is the shell. This is no good. This is what you want. Alright. You have to be careful with the knife. So that's why, for people who don't understand this, this is how the can product come in on the powder. But this was the way I grow. My grandmother, my mother, this is where they teach me, the real way. Yeah, so that's all the pieces from the coconut. Alright, so we gotta grate this. So what I gotta do to make things easier, I gotta grate some of it and I gotta blend some of it. So who don't understand the grater way will understand the blending way. So if this makes sense, leave a comment or a like. Alright, so this is a grater. So this is the real way. The old school, the authentic way, rice and peas. Coconut use a grater to make rice and peas. So it's simple, this is a grater, but you have to be careful. As I said, some people never use this because they see it dangerous now. If this video is educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Pressure cooker. Some people might be laughing and say, what is this guy doing? This is the real way, you know? This was the way before blender come on the scene. That's the way I know. I don't know what they used to do before. Some people used to do before blender, but this is what I know. Yeah, so that's the grater way. So now that we grate the coconut, we gotta juice the coconut. It's simple. You have as much of this off of the grater. You can throw water upon it here. And here's the water. And straw water. Like you're just washing off it. Yeah, so you move the grater. So now your hands get involved and you squeeze the coconut. Squeeze it. This was the way before blender, so who don't like it this way? Well, this is the way I go, and no, nothing wrong with it. Wash your hand, cleans on, everything clean. That's it. Then after you do this, you will strain it. I gotta demonstrate even that as well. Yeah, so now you squeeze the coconut, you gotta juice it, so you gotta strain it. I hope you can see what's happening here. Yeah, so you squeeze. That's it. So there you go. This is 100% pure coconut milk. No additive, no preservative, because you just grate it, juice it, cook with it. That's it. The authentic way. Get it right. So, we're going to blend our coconut. So, add some water in the blender. We have the coconut pieces cut up already, so we're going to put our pieces in the blender. So, pieces in the blender. Cover the blender. That's it. So we're gonna strain this, and this is 100% pure coconut milk. Yes, I'm straining the coconut milk. This is my coconut milk. So that's our coconut milk, 100 pure coconut milk, no additive, no preservative. Just cut, blend, strain, and use. What is wrong? Nothing is wrong. Thank you all for watching. Until then, see you guys in my next video. Peace.